Good morning, friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and give your valuable comment. In this video, you will see the black stork. The black stork is a large bird in length between 95 and 100 centimeter and weight is around 3 kilogram. When it is standing as tall as 102 centimeter, it has long red leg, a long neck and long body, straight pointed red beak which can be distinguished by its green bill, legs and feet and white rump and lower back. The plumage is black with a purplish green sheen, except for the white lower breast valley. The breast feathers are long and saggy, forming a ruff which is used in some courtship display. The black stork has brown iris and bare red skin around its eye. The sexes are identical in appearance except the male are larger than female on average. It barks very slowly and steadily on the ground and like all storks. It flies with its neck out stretched during the summer. The black stork is found from central of India. The black stork breed between April and May. It lay 2 to 5 eggs, gray-white color eggs. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.